Hi everyone, welcome to my class today. This is still Maths with Victor. We want to continue our rocks on the equation of a straight line. So we have a straight line here, a straight line here, a straight line there, defined by these relationships. And we ask in each of them to find the value of the gradient, the value of the y-intercept, and the value of the x-intercept. It's very easy. What we need to do is to first of all state the general formula for every equation of a straight line. So I'll start with number A. I have y is equal to 3x plus 11, the formula that was given. I will compare this formula with the general formula which states that y is equal to mx plus c. We talked about this as the general formula for every equation of a straight line in gradient-intercept form. So we compare the two equations. The first thing we are asked to find is the gradient. By definition, we said gradient is the m in this formula, and the m is the coefficient of x. So when we compare, we will see that our gradient, which is m, is the same thing as well, 3, because m is the coefficient of x and 3 is equally the coefficient of x. So our gradient is 3 for this particular equation. We are done with question I. We go to question II. We're asked to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept. When we define y-intercept, we said that the y-intercept is the same as c. So when we compare this equation and the general form, we will see that c is the same as 11. So our y-intercept is 11, which is the value of y when x is 0. We can also solve this by just putting in 0 for x, and we will have y becomes 3 times 0, which is 0 plus 11. 11, that's our y-intercept. We can also find the x-intercept. That's the last question. How do we get the x-intercept? By what we did in our previous class. We said x-intercept is the same as minus c over m. And then we will substitute. What is my minus c? Minus c is 11 over my m is 3. So my x-intercept is minus 11 over 3. C is the y-intercept, which we've gotten as 11. And m is the gradient, which we've gotten as 3. So c becomes minus 11 over 3. I'm done with question 1. So I can move over to question 2. At the same thing, I have 4x plus 2y is equal to 6. And of course, the general form, the subject of that formula is y. So before we can compare, we must make sure that we rewrite this and make y the subject so that our comparison will be very, very perfect. So when we make y subject, of course, this becomes 2y equal to, I will take this away from here to the other side. It was originally plus here. When it goes there, it changes to minus 4x. Then this is plus 6. All right? So when we look at this term, this term, they all have common factors, 2, 4, and 6. The common factor is 2. So I can divide everything by 2. Divide everything by 2. So 2 we divide 2. What I have here is y equal to, of course, 2 is the common denominator. It will divide this and divide this. So 2 divided minus 4x is minus 2x. Then plus 2 divided 6 is 3. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. I can now compare with the general formula y equal to mx plus c. So when we make that comparison, then question I, I'll start from there. Question I, we are looking for the gradient. So the gradient is the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2. Now we go to the second question. We are looking for the y-intercept, and that is c. So by comparison, c is 3. So our y-intercept is 3. Then finally, we are looking for the x-intercept, which we said that x-intercept is the same as minus c over m. That will give me minus, what's my c? My c is 3 over my m is minus 2. All right? So negative divide negative, positive. So that will give me 3 over 2, which is the same thing as 1 whole number, 1 over 2. That's my x-intercept, as easy as that. So when you have this kind of problem, all you need to do is to make sure the subject of these formulas is y. Then you compare with this general form. Then you get the value of your gradient, the value of your y-intercept, and then use this formula for your x-intercept. Of course, we have a third question, so I'm going to leave you with that question. Solve it, drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to share my video. If it's your first time of joining us, invite your friends to follow my page as well as we move on and enjoy more maths content, beautiful content. All right, take care of yourself. Bye.